How to design a cable clip using SelfCAD. Start by shaping the cable by drawing curves. Use Arc 3 tool to draw the curve. Turn on the symmetry. Click on the grid to draw the curve. Let the curve form a half a circle to hold the cable in position. Deactivate symmetry and use Arc 2 to connect the two curves to form S shape. Use Follow Path tool to convert the profile to a 3D model. Scale and flatten the object to ensure it is stable. Cable clip is now ready. Give it color, slice it, and send it to your 3D printer. Check the link to the full video on the description.